Before GPS, before luxury motorhomes, before crowded highways, this is how America traveled. A 1950s vintage RV built not for comfort but for freedom. The 1950s were a turning point in American history. Highways stretched across the country. Gas was cheap, and families wanted to explore. The RV wasn't a luxury, it was a solution. A moving home that allowed Americans to chase opportunity, adventure, and independence. This vintage RV reflects the design philosophy of its time. Simple shapes, solid materials, nothing unnecessary. Every line had a purpose. Every window was placed for light and airflow. It wasn't about style, but it became iconic anyway. Under the hood, there's no computer, no sensors, just mechanical engineering you could understand. These RVs were built to be repaired on the roadside, not in a dealership. That simplicity is why many of them still exist today. Inside, life was simple. A place to sleep, a place to cook, a place to rest. Families shared space, stories, and silence. There were no screens to distract, just the road outside the window. Today's motorhomes are bigger, smarter, and more expensive, but many people believe something was lost along the way. This RV reminds us that travel isn't about luxury, it's about connection to the road, to nature, and to each other. The technology may change, but the road stays the same. And this 1950s vintage RV proves one thing: freedom never goes out of style. Would you travel in a vintage RV like this?